Don't take that towel, Luca. Don't take it. He did it again. Okay, Luca. Don't touch that towel. He did it again. Okay, Luca. Whatever you do, don't touch that towel. He did it again. Colton, he never listens. Luca, don't take it. He did it again. No, that's Colton's lunch. Luca can only have milks and fruit. Colton, do you think he's going to take the towel? Do you think he's going to do it? Don't do it, Luca. Don't. Oh, Luca, don't do it. Oh, he did it again. You're silly. Can you have a carrot first?
Hey, look at
You're so silly. Oh, you want to play the game again? Okay. Luca, don't you touch that towel. Don't do it. Colton, don't do it. He did it again. He's so silly. He doesn't listen at all. Oh, Monk.
Colt, take it easy. Watch Lukey.
Oh, is he going to do it again? You think he's going to do it? No? Luca, don't do it. Oh, man. He did it again.
Oh, Colt.
Okay, maybe Daddy will give Colton a hug.